In order to add in different effects inside of the edit page right here, you can go around onto the top and click on effects, as you can see, and then you can get different effects, as you can see right here. So let's go around and focus on the transition part over here. So if I were to go around onto the toolbox on the video transition right here, of course you can go around and click around, drag around different transitions and apply them out over here in between the clips, as you can see, just like this. But if I were to go around and right click right here, then you can see that I can add in different frames of dissolve right here, the transition. So you can see I can add 12 frames of cross dissolve right here, add 6 frames right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and trim out the clips right here, just like this. And you can see that the transitions has been applied over here. But when I right click, a default transition is being applied. And how it is being done is over here on the toolbox area. Here, besides the cross dissolve, as you can see, there is this little red dot right here, denoting that this is the default transition that is being applied. So if I were to go around and delete these transitions right here, just like this, let me just go around right here and delete it. Let me just go around over here and then zoom in as well. So let me just go around over here and then zoom in as well and select this transition, delete it out just like this as well. So now in order to work around with the default transition, we can go around, right click, and let's say I'm going to go around for blur dissolve and click on add as, that is set as standard transition. So once I do that, if I were to right click, then you can see blur dissolve is now an option right here. Let me just trim out the clips right here. So if the frames are right to the edge, then it'll prompt you to cut out the edges. So you can just go around and press yes if you want that to happen, and if not, you can choose other options so that it just repeats out the frame. So you can see that the default transitions has been added right here. That is the blur dissolve in this case right here. You can go for other dissolve transitions just like this as well, like paint on. You can set it as standard transition right here. And whatever you want, you can apply everything as a standard transition right here, and that can be added in. So I'm just going to go around right here onto this transition right here, just like this. Click on this and click on this. You can right click over here and add in a transition, as you can see. So just like I was saying, it is saying add transition, and some of the clips do not have insufficient handles, meaning there's insufficient frames. So you can skip the clips or trim the clips. So I'm just going to skip it. It does not add in the transition. But if I were to go around right here, and if I were to click on add frames, let's say 24 frames right here, without actually skipping it, then it'll actually cut out the area. So that is how you can go around and then add in default transitions to be applied in timeline whenever you're adding in transitions. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.